Hey guys, this is the Viking Revolution shaving set. It comes with everything you need. It comes with this cup and a bar of soap that actually smells really good too. And obviously it comes with the shaver itself and a pack of blades as well. And this is like super easy to use and just feels really good. It's got a good weight to it, and overall just feels good in the hand. It comes with a nice stand and the brush as well. So if you're looking for a good set to get for yourself or maybe for a gift, I definitely recommend this because it comes with everything you need. Again, including blades. I don't have the blades here. I've used most of them, I think, but yeah, definitely recommend it. It's a great product and just feels sturdy and like it's gonna last.